What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, as well as QQQ and the S&P 500. Guys, I have very exciting news to discuss and go over in today's video. I'm actually very excited because the market has broken bullish, which means the groundhog didn't see his shadow. We're going to have spring very soon, and we should start to see the markets head to the upside here. Starting off with XRP, we were tracking just a couple of days ago, and we discussed very specifically in yesterday's episode that we have discovered a bull or symmetrical triangle forming on XRP's 4-hour charts here, filling in the gap beautifully, and there is seriously no time left to make a decision. We said at the latest we would see a decision on the 15th, and what we did see is on the 14th, as we expected, as we anticipated, and here is that run to the upside here. This was a tremendously easy buy-in opportunity here. Prices broke above resistance here, caught up on moving average, and since then soared even higher, so it did actually manage to break to the upside. This was a very easy buy-in opportunity, and prices did soar up to 12.9%, but at buy-in you'd be up almost 9% here, which is pretty insane. We called it right on the head. We made this video seriously just yesterday of when to be buying in to XRP. I gave you ample opportunity and ample notice. I seriously said, XRP Ripple holders, emergency update, XRP at the brink of another breakout. And what did we see right on XRP right here? That looks like a break up to me. Now, obviously, and like I say, I can't tell you, as nobody can tell you, which direction cryptos are going to move to, either up or down. What we can do with pretty much 95% accuracy and certainty is figure out when that breakout is going to come, and then which way we're going to buy into the markets here. So XRP decided, it gave us the sign to close up to here. That was the long opportunity bought right here, and here's the rally. Well, we could have done the opposite. If prices fell, we would have bought in right here, and we would have expected the markets to dump. So, like I said, we just knew to be paying close attention right around here. You could set up limit orders to clear here. Ideally, I like to wait with confirmation in case we don't wick and then fall below it here and then buy into something that we didn't mean to. So I like to wait for closure to get that real-time, closure and then make the decision. But look at that. We figured out when that breakout was going to come. So we narrowed our resistance, made it more conservative, and then we bought in. I'm getting carried away here. Lots of things we're going to have to go over and talk about in today's episode. That being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before I dive into the technical analysis, remember BYDFI is doing a new promo for February, which is super cool. Happy Valentine's Day to you guys here. Rewards of up to $11,000 on deposit and trades. So you can see here that what's actually pretty cool is this is higher than what they typically give, which is $8K or $8,100. Now it's up to $11K, and the best part, different than ever before, is the deposit bonuses. Like the actual deposit amount is extremely low, only $100 to win 50, or to get 50, 500 to get 2, 7 to get 17. Like there's huge, it's greatly reduced, but they did increase volume here. So volume is a bit higher than what is normally done here, but it's a great way that if you're an avid trader or you like to use leverage, whatever it is, you're able to get quite a substantial bonus, which is pretty cool, obviously, for some whales out there. But even smaller amounts here to get $450 in bonus with leverage up to 200x, which I do not recommend, but even 5 or 10x is huge. It's awesome. It's epic here. So make sure to check out BYDFI down in the description below. They are completely free to use and my favorite exchange to take advantage of here. More info on BYDFI will be later on in today's episode, but CoinMarketCap shows we're up about 1.85. I'm actually very excited and very happy with the way the markets are moving today. You can see we're up 1.85%, and cryptos across the board are starting to do pretty well. Like we're just starting to get volume to come into the market. Look, XRP is up 11.69% on the day. That is insane. You cannot tell me we did not call this seriously just yesterday in yesterday's episode. If you're going to say we didn't call it, then you're lying to yourself. It's that simple because as you can see right here, we made that video saying at the brink of another breakout. Emergency update. Pay attention. We had less than 1 day to make that decision, and the breakout to the upside is what we did see. Up 11%, which is even crazier, 8.7% in the past 7 days. But it's the only crypto That's actually up a substantial amount today. It's actually pretty crazy, double what pretty much everything else is, which is unbelievable here. And I think that this could tell the rest of the markets to head up too, because it's not just like XRP that I want to focus on. There are other cryptos, mainly like QQQ in the stock market, which we'll look at after XRP. But you can see here, continuing where I left off in the intro here, we knew this breakup was inevitable. We saw major consolidation, major symmetrical triangle. And as I always say, it just comes down to where we're going to close. It doesn't matter, because as long as we can confirm a 4-hour closure above or below our resistance or support, that will tell us when to buy in. This was it for a long. This could have been it for a down. You could see clear as day the symmetrical triangle, the volume dying off, us getting suppressed, stuck between a rock and a hard place. A decision was inevitable. It had to have been made, and it chose to the upside here. So incredible, beautiful run to the upside. You can see we look very nice, and there's a good chance we can continue. My only one question now is, how do we react when we see this? I'm going to leave that here for right now. But you can see we are starting to swing up. This looks very nice. We broke out of what was consolidating for days to the upside here. And now we're starting to swing back to the upside. We'll see how much higher we're going to be moving to, but it definitely looks good as of today, as we enter today's Friday. So hopefully we just consolidate the rest of the weekend here and everybody can enjoy their nice holiday weekend. But aside from XRP, which saw that major run, I mean, you can take advantage of XRP and BYDFI. This is what I highly recommend all you guys do and take advantage of here, because we've been using them for several years now. I think 4 to 5 years we've been using BYDFI, which is incredible. They are the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses. It's insane. You can do up to 200x or 50x on XRP, which is way too high. But you know, if that's what you guys like to do, then by all means. I think that's crazy. I think anything more than like 10x is really, really, really risky. And as you guys know, I like to be very conservative here. But the run happened, and I think this might be the cool-off period for XRP. You can even see on the daily how we're hitting that 25-day moving average. This, to me, shows, hey, time to cool off, time to sell down. We might see a small little reversal back down, but even then, we look really good across the board for XRP, and we still were able to profit. To enter the weekend on a positive is awesome. Like, I'm very excited to see that take place here. And aside from being able to take advantage of the rewards that we talked about, the 11K, they do have a demo trading account. You can see right here that gives new users also, on top of that, up to 8,100 in free demo money. So maybe you miss out, or the other one, this one closes. Regardless, a lot of you guys can earn other bonus cryptocurrencies and then even daily rewards. So every single day you can come back and claim these rewards too, which is super cool. Those add up, and then you can cash them in for coupons, which is epic here. But aside from that, what I really like is that they're like one of the very few exchanges that has an actual demo trading account, which means you guys get 50K in demo money to seriously just practice your skills. See how aggressive 148x leverage really is. You know what I'm saying? See how crazy too much leverage can be. Play around on the minute, the 5 minute, the daily charts here. Learn how the exchange works, and then when you're ready, you can head on over to the live trade. Use your bonus money, and anything earned off bonus money is completely free. So that's really cool if you ask me. But aside from XRP, looking at other cryptos like Solana here, we look good. I mean, this could be the sign that we needed. Now, I don't know just yet, because we could easily go like this, boop. But aside from that, we should expect to see a run to the upside here. I don't know what is going to happen, but we should see possibly that run. I think it's going to take a little bit longer, though. Probably come next week we'll get that answer here, because there's a lot of problems right here. Moving average, relative strength indicator, a lot of very solid resistances that could be pretty detrimental to where we're going to see XRP move to, or where Solana moves to. So let this play out, see how we react to this, and then I would very likely expect to see a run to the upside here. Ethereum looks like also on the bottom. So come next week, we could see a run to the upside. That's also great news as we start to head up. Bitcoin too has ample opportunity. All these cryptos are very undervalued. Has ample opportunity to reverse out, see easily retesting all-time highs, 106,000 again. That's what we're looking for. Something like this. So pay very close attention to that, because I would likely think that's what we're looking for. And aside from, XRP, Solana, Ethereum, everything looking extremely bullish, here's proof that we are very bullish. QQQ has confirmed closure above a massive resistance as we expected, a major resistance here. We were fortunate enough to buy in right here, so we are up a heck of a lot of money here. But you can see we have confirmed closure above resistance. That to me should mean for the next couple of days or weeks, we should be heading up like this. That, in my opinion, is what that means. Same thing with S&P. We had a beautiful bull flag here, lower high, lower low. We broke above here. That to me means, hey, time to head up. That's all I'm going to say. That's what I think is going to happen. I think we're due to see some movements to the upside, but we'll see how it pans out. Otherwise, that's it for today's video. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.